Hello everyone. How's everyone doing today? Bright shiny morning here in Frankfurt, Germany. And that's a little bit unusual. Usually it's a lot colder this time of the year. Talk about climate change. Anyways, tonight 1900 hours Quebec time, Quebec, Canada. That's the same time as New York. 12 midnight UTC, Universal Time. I'll be on JFG's program, The Public Space. You can look it up on YouTube. It looks something like this. And I'll be there with Peter again. I think he's going to be on the show as well, and he's a physicist. We're going to be discussing black holes. So please mark it on your schedules today, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye.